Good evening, sir. My name is Wilfredo III J. Racal. I am 20 years old and I live in Ormoc City. I am from section Charlie 1. So now I will be discussing the existence of a maximally great being and how we can resolve the debate between the creation and evolution. A maximally great being is one that possesses ultimate power, knowledge, and goodness. We can see evidence for such a being through information in DNA. DNA is like a complex software code that directs life, just as a computer program requires an intelligent programmer. The intricate and purposeful arrangement of DNA suggests an intelligent designer. Let's move on to fine-tuning. Fine-tuning of the universe, The universe is precisely calibrated to allow life. If fundamental forces like gravity or the speed of light were slightly different, life would be impossible. This precise tuning points to an intelligent creator who designed the universe for life to exist. Let's move on to the existence of absolute moral value and duties. We all recognize certain moral truths, such as wrongness of murder or the goodness of kindness. If objective moral exists, there must be a moral lawgiver, an ultimate being who defines what is right and what is wrong. Irreducible complexity. Some biological systems like bacteria or the eyes of the humans are so complex that they couldn't have evolved piece by piece. These are systems appear to be designed with purpose, which suggests the work of an intelligent creator. Resolving the debate between creation and evolution. There is an ongoing debate between creation and evolution about the origins of life and the universe. To resolve this, we can apply the principle of sufficient reason, which states that everything must have a reason for its existence. Evolution explains changes within species but does not fully explain the origin of life or why the universe exists. Creation offers a direct explanation. A supernatural being brought everything into existence with purpose. By using reason and philosophy, we see that science and faith do not have to contradict each other. Instead, they can work together to explain the full reality of existence. In summary, the complexity of life, the fine-tuning of the universe, moral values, and irreducible complexity all points towards a maximally great being. The debate between creation and evolution can be resolved by recognizing the science explains how things work, while faith and philosophy explain why they exist. Thank you for listening.